Okay, let's go ahead and stick that back in the box. So the wires are coming around the front there. Then you've got the antenna wires poking out too. Just drop it in like that. Alright, and we're good to go. Let's hook up the pitch antenna here. Okay. Let's hook up the volume antenna. Oh, let me show you these antennas too. Here, I'll show you the pitch antenna. This central thing in the middle is actually threaded. You can undo if you turn it around at the back. There's a nut, kind of a plastic nut and a plastic washer, and you can undo the thing and see what's inside. And all it is a piece of rather heavy aluminum foil and this little piece of wire. So if the wire breaks or gives you trouble or something, you can go ahead and replace it, or you can, oops, I got that wrong. Or you could take it out of here and do whatever you want, or use rods really if you want to, whatever. But I thought I'd start you out with some plates just to kind of get you going. And you hook that on like that. Okay, we got the A to D box here, and we're going to hook up. Oh, here it is. Alright, we'll hook this up to, and they make these things, the chargers, USB chargers. You can plug like that into there, you know. And get another one. Sometimes the chargers have multiple outlets. You could plug everything in, and there's no on and off switch, so you know you can end up maybe plugging that into a power strip that has a switch on it. And then we would around this, the thing I use is this is an old extension cord that I ripped all the wires out of it except for the ground wire, and so that ground wire is still here. And then I pulled the prongs out so that these exposed wires aren't hurting anything. And then I tinned the other end of the wire just to keep it from fraying. And then plug that into the wall here in the United States, and then you would connect your ground here to give it a good ground if you don't have one. And you can always experiment around with grounding. You know, sometimes extra grounds hurt, sometimes they make things better. Well, usually they make things better, but you know, it's something you can experiment with. All right, and then the D-to-A board, you would plug some headphones in, or plug in line level output going to your amplifier, and then you'd have to turn it on. And if you're hooking this up to headphones, the level coming out of the D-Lev is really hot, so you're probably going to have to turn the volume way down if you're using headphones. And then if you turn it, the thing with volume controls, stereo volume controls, always is that when you turn them down too far, they go unbalanced. So you want to stay above the balance point so that the left and right are balanced. And then you can always turn down the volume on the D-Lev to, you know, get the level right. So you can avoid that kind of like unbalanced zone on the volume control. All right.